Dahil sa ang presidente natin ngayon, sa ang may mandate, talagang karapatan niya na mag-reject ng ganong because of course, it didn't materialize before. Ang tanong doon kung yung kausap ng leader nila na leader natin nung time na yan, bakit hindi nag-push through? Ibig sabihin, hindi siya katanggap-tanggap. And why would President Marcos will be accountable of that promise na hindi naman siya yung nangako o yung napangakuan? So, karapatan din niya mag-reject sa ganung klaseng proposal. No? So, I think since he already said no to that gentleman's agreement, then it becomes invalid now.
So, if that's the case, anong point ng China? Bakit naglalabas pa ng ganitong klase ng pahayag kung malinaw naman pala yung mga naunang sinabi ni PBBM?
Well, of course, nasa period tayo ng cognitive warfare where disinformation is prevalent. Baka mailusot nila yung disinformation na yan at mapalaganap nila na it's the truth. Because remember, truth is subjective now. Depende kung sino nagsasabi at paano siya tatanggapin. At ang ating truth right now is we don't accept it. So, nasa age talaga tayo na iba't ibang truth right now and at the age of disinformation. So, yun dapat yung, kaya kailangan natin sa panahon na so is critical thinking. And it just so happened that Filipinos are very critical right now.
So, ang lagay po ay, tinatry ng China para makalusot dito. Tapos sinasabi po nga ninyo, no, na iba-iba ang truth. So, sa ngayon, depende who's talking, no? So, dapat ba magsalita muli si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte at ang kanyang mga cabinet officials dati o may alam, no, dito sa sinasabing gentleman's agreement? Dapat ba sila magsalita? And what should they be saying? Ano pa yung sasabihin nila na hindi pa nila nasasabi?
Well, pagdating sa ganyan, nakita natin na the issue has become politicized. So, itatanggi nila yan or pwede rin na ipatawag sila, hindi sila sisipot or babalik na rin nila yung agreement, no, or yung truth na nangyari in the past. No? So, very subjective siya and I think it's politicized. Kaya pwedeng ang mangyari dyan, hindi natin makukuha talaga yung real score of what happened in the past, no? Because remember that we are still a powerful dynasty right now, and it might be possible that the daughter will become the next president. So, nag-iingat din sila sa kanilang mga sasabihin.